Thai prawn curry. You will need 1 onion, 1 tablespoonful of olive oil, a red pepper, 100 grams of raw prawns, 100 grams of tender stem broccoli, a lime, a small piece of fresh ginger and 2 dessert spoonfuls of red Thai paste. Peel and carefully dice the onion. Finely grate the fresh ginger. Cut the pepper into strips and then small pieces. Wash the broccoli and then cut into small pieces. Cut the lime in half and squeeze the juice. Place the oil in a frying pan or wok and heat. Add the ginger and the onion and fry until softened. Next, add the red pepper. When the pepper has softened, add the raw prawns and fry until they change colour to a lovely pink. Next, add the broccoli. Now add the coconut milk and the red Thai curry paste. Simmer the curry for about 10 minutes until the broccoli has softened. Add the lime juice and stir it in.